friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today we're going to be talking about fall fashion trends, and I guess fall fashion trend predictions. If you guys watch my videos, you know how I do this. There are more things I predict will be trending in, like, I don't know, I guess our niche of fashion, whatever that is. What I think I'll be wearing and what I think you should be wearing if you want to participate. You can see my ring light in my glasses, which is so annoying, and I have to wear my glasses because my contacts are bothering me and they make my eyes look smaller, so I might just look like a totally different person in this video, but whatever, that's cool. Maybe it'll make some people who don't like me subscribe. And before we get into this video, I want to say thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring. Okay, look at my eyes with, I cannot see you guys. My prescription's so bad. So look at my eyes. Is that crazy? They shrink so much. So the first fall trend I wanted to talk about is something that I've been kind of testing out, and it's just fun colored socks and like fun printed socks. I think it can spice up an outfit so much, and it's so cute, like wearing a little fruit printed sock with like a loafer. Like, they don't go together. It's that good old juxtaposition that I like of two things not going together. Something very youthful and playful, like printed sock, and then like a sophisticated black leather loafer. I have my Onitsuka Tigers I've been wearing all the time, and these shoes are so stinking comfortable. I've been having TMI, really bad ingrown toenails. These are the only shoes I can wear right now, so I wish I didn't get them in yellow. Oh, but pairing these, even with just like a gray sock instead of, you know, what you would opt for as in a white sock. I talked about this, I think last fall, switching out your white sock for black socks. And now I'm saying, you know, keep wearing your white socks, keep wearing your black socks, but if you're just looking to spice things up in an inexpensive way, go for like a colorful, or if you're really crazy, a printed sock. But yeah, you can even do like just a beige sock, a gray sock. I have like baby pink, I have baby blue, I have navy that I really like. I got this giant pack off Amazon, so I can link that for you guys because it's just perfect. You're gonna wear socks either way, and if you don't like the trend of different colored socks, in the wintertime, you'll wear them with pants and you won't even see them. So I don't think it's a, you know, scary trend to try out. And I like talking about trends, putting light to trends that won't break the bank or just like be, you know, risky to try. So yeah, colored socks. I really, really like that. You'll be seeing me do it a lot. With any kind of shoes, sneakers, loafers, whatever. Mary Janes, heels. I feel like stripes have been trending, and that's such like a weird thing to say, but I just feel like people are really into like striped sweaters, striped t-shirts, just like thick stripes for a minute now. And I've seen, you know, I've seen the rugby shirt before, obviously, but I think we're just gonna see a big resurgence of that rugby shirt. I think like Brandy Melville has always sold the type of rugby shirt, but you know, the little like white collar and those big stripes. I think they're super cute, and it's a nice, I don't know, just something different from a sweater or a crew neck. And same thing, like talking about these rugby shirts and the socks, it's like you can wear this peak trendiness, and you can also wear them when they're not trending because they're just like normal. It's not like saying, I don't know, what's something like really obscure? I guess wearing like a tie as a neck scarf. Like, you're gonna look back at that a little bit later. Not saying you shouldn't do it, but you'll look back at that and you'll be like, what the heck? Like, I'm not doing that anymore. I still like it. But looking back at like a rugby shirt or a, you know, socks, you won't care. And there's nothing wrong with looking back on things and, you know, not liking what you used to wear. Okay, next thing I'm really liking is kind of like a feel, and that's muted colors. So ditching white and black is like something you always have to pair in your outfit. And again, I talked about this in a video where I just talked about trends I like. These aren't even like trends, some of them. Sometimes they're just things I like that I think could start trending, or I just like, period. But I was talking about how I like pairing two colors with each other in an outfit, so in a sense, color blocking. So instead of doing like, if I'm gonna wear a hot pink t-shirt, thinking, okay, I have to pair it with denim, black or white, pairing my hot pink t-shirt with like a royal blue short, you know, something that is not what you think. So for the fall time, just all around muted colors. Instead of pairing my navy blue pants with a white sweater or like a cream sweater, I would do navy blue pants with like brown or gray. You know what I mean? Like just not doing black or white. Anytime you're about to go grab black or white, grab a brown, a navy, a gray, even like a darker cream color, an olive, a muted tone, and pair that with another muted tone. I think they look really, really good together, and they look so chic, and like you just know what you're doing and you're trying a lot harder than you are. I think wearing just like a black or a white with a denim or with a color, it's like, okay, yeah, like that makes sense and that's what you would do, but good outfits sometimes come from not making sense. So I'll put pictures here of what I mean because, yeah. So I guess the trend I'm liking is just no black and white. I still like black and white, but you guys get what I mean. Next thing is something I've been liking for a while. I feel like I've really like talked about it with mod dresses that I always yearn for, and then like thrifted 100 of them or got them in my style bundles, but it's a drop waist. I think that Sandy Lang has this like with her little ruffled dresses and then just the peplum of the waist starting a bit lower. I like it when it's like halfway down your butt. I like the waist to start, so a very dropped waist on a dress. I think they're just fun. It's a different silhouette, something we haven't been seeing in a minute, and I like it with a pleated bottom. You can get this pretty easily too if you go to the thrift store and you find maybe like one of those mod style dresses, but it's too long. If you hem the bottom instead of bringing the waist up, which is actually easier, you will get that drop waist effect. I feel like Orson Iris has a really cute one that they came out with forever ago that's just like so stinking cute. Drop waist. Just the thing is, I don't wear like dresses like that. They're a little bit too fancy. I think next summer I'll wear my mod dresses more. I just can't get a yitty out and I need to. Okay, and the last fall trend that I'm really liking and that I will be wearing is no white sneakers. Death to the white sneakers, which is so funny for me to say because they were such a closet staple. I talked about this in my capsule wardrobe video that I'm just so much more into a black sneaker than a white sneaker. I have my black Sambas I wear all the time. Even these being yellow, I think that they just add so much more to an outfit. I'm gonna put a bunch of like sneakers here that I'm obsessed with. I just think they look a lot more fashion forward than gravitating towards a white sneaker every single time you're getting dressed, and it's not like that's a crazy thing to do, you know, grab a different colored sneaker. They have so many different colors in like the Gazelles and Sambas. Honestly, I know that's sometimes harder to get, but the Gazelles literally have every single stinking color. Don't get a platform. But that's it for my fall trends. Let me know if you want to see a video of me styling these, and that's it. Thank you again to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. If you guys don't know Squarespace or haven't heard of them before, it's an all-in-one platform for building your brand and growing your business online. Stand out with a beautiful website, engage with your audience, and sell anything, your products, content you create, and even your time. So right now I'm going to be using my Squarespace as a blogging platform, which I'm so excited about. You can create a community on your Squarespace website with a fully integrated commenting system that supports threaded comments, replies, and likes, and I can't wait to communicate with you guys on there as well. Squarespace's powerful blogging tools to categorize, share, and schedule your posts too. Something that was always so important to me is connecting my social media accounts, display posts from your social profiles on your website, automatically push website content to your favorite social media channels so your followers can share it too. And for anything that I start posting on my blog that maybe I don't also share on my YouTube, I can add a mailing list, get the right messages to the right people, collect email addresses through your website, and send subscribers the information they care about most with a unique mailing list. Go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Lainey for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye!